Hi, Allie with Hover here, and I'm going to take you through a quick tour of our new analytics page where you can get better insights into your team's activity, feature usage, project details, and flexible date range filtering. You're going to click Analytics from your login on hover.to. Once you're logged into the platform, you'll see the Analytics button in the top left page. This is where it's going to take you. You're going to be able to, up at the very top, filter by a lot of flexible date ranges. So some quick ones at the top, and then you can always apply a custom date range. If you have any other accounts underneath your main org, you will also find them in this drop down up here. So you can filter to different regions, locations, branches. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see a quick overview with your most active users, your total scans in that date range, and then premium features being used. So these are different tools that you can interact with on a project. Instant designs, estimates created, material lists generated, 3D models being opened, a quick snapshot there. Then in this product drill down page, you're going to see a user summary. So a share of the scans by user. So who's kind of making up most of the pie, who's using Hover the most, does that line up with your expectations of the team? You can also see a user level breakdown here with everyone included in this date range who has done an activity within Hover. Further down, you've got a scans big scroll you can do. So it's just going to keep scrolling throughout all those jobs in that date range you've indicated. It's going to give you the job ID, property name, job address, the scanning user, the date of the scan, the deliverable, and then you can click this button to go right to that project. I like using this tool. I like alphabetizing the user page, and then I can see a list of everything a certain user has done that way over that date period. Then if we scroll down to the very bottom, you're going to see more of a weekly or other time period view that you can filter. So you can view either the number of scans or scans with a certain feature on them, like a 3D model that's been designed. And then you can view by a certain time frame with this dropdown. So that's a quick tour of the new analytics page. We're excited for you to try it. And please let us know if you have any feedback at all, good, bad, ugly. We want to hear what you think, and we want this to be useful. So thank you again, and look forward to hearing from you.